Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off weekly screen time updates on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, and here you will find the weekly screen time updates. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off weekly screen time updates on your account on notification settings on TikTok. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.